doing some experimenting with boiled linseed oil, turpentine, Japan dryer, and beeswax. This one over here to the left, that is linseed oil and wax. Just a little bit of wax and then some linseed oil, heated up just enough to melt it, and that is now a waxy substance, and there ain't enough wax in there to have caused that by itself, so there must have been some sort of chemical reaction. Here's the same amount of turpentine here and wax, and it's just a liquid, so there wasn't any kind of, in other words, if it was because of the wax, that should be a pasty wax too. Here's linseed oil and turpentine mixed in a 1-to-1, and you can see that that's just liquid. And here is wax, turpentine, and linseed oil. It's the same thing as this over here, but has a little bit of turpentine in it, and you can see that it looks like the turpentine inhibited that chemical reaction or whatever. This is just boiled linseed oil, and you can tell that it's just linseed oil. And let's see, I said this one. That's a linseed oil turpentine 1-to-1 mix, and it's just liquid. And then this is linseed oil, turpentine, and Japan dryer without the wax. And you can tell that's quite a bit because the color should be just like that. So you can tell that's quite a bit of Japan dryer in there. I added a couple drops, then a couple drops, and a couple drops, then I poured, you know, a good bit in there after that. So just by itself, it's not causing any kind of chemical reaction. I would assume maybe if I put the wax in there with that linseed oil, maybe it would get a little bit thicker. But anyway, there it is. Doing a little experimenting for a metal finish, trying to figure out what's what. Cheers.